Good morning from the Hayag Farm School, where we're hosting the Bamboo Bootcamp out in the mountains of Davao. We just had a typical morning breakfast here in this beautiful bellflower structure. We've got lots of exciting activities and international guests learning about bamboo, and we're working on some builds here. This is a kids' play area. There are some new houses going up in the mountain ridges, and I'm going to tour you around to have a look and see what bamboo can do. This structure here is called the bellflower, and its main feature is this reciprocating tower, which is a rotating stack of poles in the center to act as a column to hold up the undulating roof, which overlooks this beautiful view and is a nice place to nap. The possibilities of what you can build with bamboo are truly endless, and this place is a testament to that. You can see incredible bamboo structures everywhere you look, and this is the result of the amazing work done by the Bamboo Bootcamp team and the Matitsalog tribe out here in the mountains of Davao. Over years and years and many iterations of Bamboo Bootcamp construction, they've been able to put together an incredible ecosystem of beautiful bamboo structures. They've got bamboo nursery over here, bamboo chicken coops, and really endless amounts of imagination, creativity. You've got the bamboo dog house. Hey pups. Hi guys. When camp is in order, it's usually important to keep the dogs inside. They're very well treated here, but there are about 30 some participants out here at the Bamboo Bootcamp, and we're gonna go check out a morning workshop lecture in the, I guess it's yoga studio place. Let's go have a look. Here's a view of the structure from the bridge house, which was recently completed. You leave your shoe at the base and then walk up this spiral ramp, which brings you up to where they're holding morning circle, which is a traditional practice here at the Bamboo Bootcamp. And I came up just in time to share my childhood dreams. When I was younger, I wanted to be a philanthropist, but then I realized you have to have a lot of money to do that, so changed course. But as I grew up, I thought I wanted to be a sports doctor, go into orthopedics. And then when biology got really competitive and people wouldn't share their notes with me in school if I missed class, I realized maybe that environment's not for me, and I realized I didn't want to be in a hospital all day. I wanted to be out in nature. So I pursued, environmental studies, and now I'm pursuing a doctorate in sustainability. So same dream, different kind of path, and then hopefully I can become a bambillionaire and then eventually become a philanthropist.
I would say...
These sessions are typically conducted by architect Jed de Guzman, and insights always given by the mastermind, Rika Gadi.
Grown from inside.
Below the structure is a storage room where they keep scale models and have developed this incredible bathroom. You can see the cement bamboo wall construction, and I like the details here of how they used local stone and these glass blocks to bring light in, and a beautiful bamboo chandelier. Scale model, looking good. All right.
Pwede.
All right, we're bambushwhacking to get up to the new build. Ito ba yung yung puno na parang invasive, no? Yung mabilis mag-grow. Okay. Somebody abandoned their chinelas. So this house, Ramil's house, is a special prefab construction which in just a couple of days has been put together. And look at us now, we're here
Hello.
on the top of the mountain, and we're gonna go down and check out this build. Salamata. Okay, exciting times. We're gonna have a look here at Ramil's house. It's a little slippery. Look at this. Look at this.
Brian's here. The vlogger.
Wow, nasa bundok na tayo. All right.
Welcome.
Look at this. Amazing. Got a little foot bath. Yo. Hello. Look at this thing. Amazing.
Modular team.
Engineer Kivs.
We're
Wow.
gonna build this one in your
Sam with the cam. Yon. So, this is good research to see what's possible with the modular construction team. We're gonna be able to replicate this, and yeah, exciting times. And just if you look behind me, it's an incredible waterfall view. So this is something special, and the guys are up there, whoops, and they're fitting the roof together. All right. Using threaded rods and bolts here is pretty standard practice for structurally joining bamboo. So this house structure was put up, the walls, just in a couple days, and its modularity is really cool. We're doing similar things with our prefab columns and very simple bolt-through technology, and it is just amazing here on a cliffside. Look at that, you go barefoot so you don't slip. And then we got the Bambuilders up here. Ganda talaga dito. The view from up here is pretty magical. You can see that waterfall in the distance on the left. And these builders are the first graduates in the country for bamboo carpentry, which is now part of an enterprise-based educational training under TESTA, which is the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority here in the Philippines. And building things like this is going to become increasingly possible as more and more builders get training, and we're working on establishing this to scale up our BAM building. Bambayanihan.
Ito na, parisid.
The participants are bringing 1/4 of the roof structure down here and handing it off to the builders. Many hands makes light work.
Careful.
It's a little precarious and slippery here because it's been raining and it's a slightly muddy slope, so everybody's got to be very careful and intentional with their footing.
Wait.
The handoff here is the tricky part, where you've got to get this quarter leaf panel for the roof up onto the top of the structure, and it's a bit slippery. I almost fell there. Bamboo Bootcamp participants are broken up into groups so that they can get a variety of experiences. Raise the roof.
What? One more?
One more! Let me do this!
Isn't that crazy? Hard labor, guys. Hard labor.
Good job, guys.
Accept your time.
You don't have to understand that.
And this particular group was assigned to the modular construction build, which I think is probably the most satisfying and gratifying, because you get to really put something large up in a really quick amount of time. One of the really great things that I like and appreciate about this project is that these builders, who are from the indigenous tribe, actually get to build the same houses for themselves. And it's kind of a way to show that you can have high-end construction for guests, but then also have the same eco-luxuries for the local builders. Here for the last roof panel of the day, I decided to try and pitch in and get my hands dirty a little bit. We were raising the last quarter of the roof leaf, and I didn't have too much effectivity here, but it was nice to lend a hand. And this is really the spirit of the bayanihan, where you have many hands helping build and put together bamboo construction for the community. And it's really nice to be a part of. And we just realized here that that panel went up upside down, so you gotta pay attention to details.
Taas na yung sentro. Ala.
So this bamboo house is pretty awesome. I'm glad I got to play a very, very small role in helping raise the roof. But it's incredible to see what a small team of people can do pretty quickly when you do modular construction. And bamboo on the side of a cliff, like, feels like it just fits properly because bamboo loves to grow in these areas as well. So exciting to see this progress, and yeah, encouraging for some of our projects that we want to do moving forward in Batangas and around Luzon. Yeah, watch this space. More to come. The Philippines needs more viable planting materials, and bamboo seedlings is a great way to create livelihood opportunities and also build up the stocks of what we need to re-green the Philippines and have enough sustainable bamboo building materials.
And they go home with a seedling.
Yeah, so maybe
In the planter.
make it affordable.
In the planter that they made.
We don't care. We don't deal with the accommodations.
Yeah.
They can eat
Basta-
at your. They pay for their own food. Basta they will pay for the workshop lang.
Tapos ano na package a tour na.
Yeah. You
I-shoot
can
na
have
natin with the
snorkeling tour,
na.
bike tour, sunset experience.
It's part of the package na. Diba?
So ang cost mo lang sa what is included in the registration are some of those activities, or they choose one, and then you'll have time where the group of you.
We've got some more exciting and engaging workshops in the pipeline, so stay in touch and let us know if you'd be interested. Comment if you want to be sent more info. Thank you, and Bamboo High.